Hello everyone, Peter here. Guys, so I wrote to the Aliexpress and I had an immediate reply, although it's Sunday, or I'm wrong, 13th, yes, Sunday. Good support if they can reply on Sundays. A person was really keen to help resolve the issue with the display. So as we seen in the first video, when I've placed the display on the laptop, it was bent. So I assume when I will plug it in, it won't work. Pretty much. So that's the stuff from this customer. Okay, I'll open it first because you know why not. I will open it first, and when I'll open it, we can continue because I don't want to take too much time on the video. Yes, be right back. Okay, so I was able to remove it, but I had to remove the main board first, so I need to go layer by layer. You will see screws, so I won't be showing it. It would take too much time. Now what we end up with is this part, okay, which goes on the display, and then sorry guys, and on the display, you know, we can hook up those things. Here is probably the touchpad and here is probably LVD. Oh, you don't see it, okay, let me fix that. Here's probably a touchpad and here's probably LVDS signal. That's, I assume it is, it's, I don't know. Yeah, so that's the faulty one, which has this already, you know, damage here. Now this one, before I'll start to do anything about it, let me prepare. Wow. Okay, so now I'm sure I don't have any screws or anything which could damage the display on the surface. Now we see this one is bent here. I don't know if you can see that, but I can see that. So I would love to be wrong, but I know as a fact that it will be bad. I know, and I don't like it, but it is what it is. So give me a few minutes, you can skip, but I need to do it the right way. Yes, so I need to plug in this LVDS. Fits properly, so that's mean the right model of the screen of the display. Now we've got one side which is a bottom and one side which is a top, so I assume this side is a bottom. Okay, or I'm wrong. I don't know. The top here, that should be antenna. Here, what is this? Guys, main board, okay, so that should be like this. Yes, okay. We've got the right side. So this side is the bottom. Oh, no, don't try. Okay. Okay, so I'll pause it. I'll just catch few screws, you know, so that we can be sure that it's holding, because I don't want to connect mainboard and everything until it's not, you know, firmly gripped. Yes, because I don't want to damage something. Okay guys, I've mounted on 4 screws only. It's it's firm. It's not the best, but it's firm. Yes, so it's okay. Now what I'll do is just hook up as minimum as we can. That means I'll hook up only the display and the main board, and where's the power supply here somewhere. So so that we can just plug it in and check it out. Yes, and that's us. I don't wanna build this computer anyway because I know it will have faulty display. Okay, so it has one way to come in. You can't misalign it, so I'll grab it on a few screws and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I've installed as well the heating pipe with the no fan, yes. So let me connect USB. No power button is installed, so I should think of that as well. But it is on here. That's just press button. Okay, so if it's just a press button, there will be a small something to press it. Okay, there is one. Here. And this one will be for the power. Okay, I need to install one element here so that we will have proper power button. Okay, so I took the button which is on the front panel, long plastic panel, and two speakers are attached to it. And let's give it a test. I would be so happy if the screen would be not damaged, really, but I've seen before doing it, yes, that I'm just wasting my time right now. Completely no picture. Dead. Okay, so the only thing which I didn't connect it are all those peripherals, like speakers, fan, and so on, yes? So, well, peripheral, fan, peripheral. Let's plug in at least the fan, because that's not peripheral. You know, I'll grab it on the one screw and I'll be right back. Okay, so let's make a test. Fan is on. Display has completely no power, and there is only one thing missing, so I'll connect everything properly and I'll be right back. Just by the way, it's just a connection somewhere because system has boot up, yes, so we can see that on my monitor then all is good, yes. So now it's only why this device doesn't display the signal. My assumption is the one LVDS signal was connected, but the second maybe is a power for the display. That's why it's completely blank. And that's not a touch screen, guys, but that's that just power the pins I thought, yes. So let me check it out and I'll be right back. And guys, I was right. Okay, so we get a backlight on, but we can see that this screen is faulty. So unfortunate. I'll take a photo only for this guy because he didn't want the video, but he said, you know, I wanna see it on the picture. Okay, and there is this second display which is faulty, which is my one. Okay, let's call it a day. We know what to do. Sometimes it is what it is. Unfortunately, 12 minutes. Yes, so faulty screen came from Aliexpress. Hopefully I can resolve it because neither me nor customer will be happy now. And we need to wait more until that screen will come. I need to put everything back together because I might forget, you know, the screw alignment or something, so I'm just wasting more time. And the question is, you know, how much I can charge the customer so that customer will be happy and I will be happy at the end, yes. Plus, will this guy make us any trouble as well with sending, because that's £127.40 at the end, so it's not a cheap money. So you can wish me good luck and my customer, and thank you for watching. If possible, please do like or subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Sorry guys, sorry, I was trying to reply to the guy first and then I meant to put the end screen, guys. So again, thank you for watching, and thank you to those who did likes to you, and see you in the next episode. Bye bye.